Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer crypto from Ledger Nano Live to crypto.com step by step. So our first step number 1 is to open your Ledger Live and unlock your device. So you have to plug in your Ledger Nano and enter your PIN. Then open the Ledger Live application on your computer or phone. And then you just have to make sure that the crypto application, so in there is Bitcoin or Ethereum, and it is open on your Ledger device. Step number 2 is to get your crypto.com wallet address. So open the crypto.com application, tap on the accounts from here, then go to crypto wallet, and then tap on coin that you want to receive, like for example Bitcoin. So let's say for example this one, and then tap on transfer, then go to deposit. So it looks something like this, and then copy the deposit address shown. So you just have to double check the network, like for example BTC versus BEP20 versus ERC20. Next is to send crypto from Ledger Live. So go back to your Ledger Live, click on send. Here you will see it in here, and then from the left menu, which is in here, this one right here, and then choose a crypto account that you're sending from, like for example Bitcoin. So on this one it is Ethereum Classic 2, so that's just an example, but it depends on you. And then you just have to paste the crypto.com deposit address, so you will paste it in here as you can see, and then enter the amount that you want to send. So you will enter it in here. As you can see, there is the amount in here. Then after that is you just have to click on continue. Click on continue, which is on this button right here. And lastly is to confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. So Ledger Live will now ask you to confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano. So you must review the transaction details carefully and then press the buttons on the Ledger device to approve the send. So that's basically it. You just have to be patient for it to arrive on your crypto.com account, and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.